Friends, today we will see practically that how to insert transition in slides. All right, for this we can either you create a presentation of your slides, otherwise you can open an existing slide. Okay, that is the thing. So that is the thing. You can open an existing presentation, okay, for this. Otherwise, you may create some presentation. All right. So now, what will you do? That we will just open this particular PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So let's see. If it is not, then we have to go for some other presentation. Okay, so you have few slides, so you have already can see out here. This on this one, 8 slides are there. So we will not allow on each and every slide, so we will just remove some slides. We will keep some will just by doing the delete slide, we will do 4 or 5 slides, so we will keep in this way. So this is the delete slide. So I'm doing it. You can see how to delete the slide also can learn at the same time. Okay, so this one we will just also delete. So that is the thing. So now these four are there, so onto which we will apply the transition. Now whenever you know what is transition. Transition effects are the special effects which are used to enhance the interest of the audience and provide liveliness to your slideshow presentation. All right, means there will be some variation. Sometimes if the slideshows are coming in very in a monotonous way, means like there is no variation, sometimes it was very boring. Okay, so in order to add some kind of attractions and all, or to draw the attention of the audience towards your slideshow, you can apply transition. Now you see that how could you add the transition. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to select the slide as I have selected out here to add transitions. Fine. So now go to the transitions tab. Okay, transitions to this slide group will appear. You can see under the transition tab, transition to this slide group to be appeared. Okay, click onto the more button. This is the more button. From here you can see the more button. All right, so click onto the more drop down arrow to display all the transition effects. Click on any transition effect of your choice, of the display choices. The current slide will display preview of the selected effect. Okay, so where you are, suppose I'm choosing curtains. All right, curtains will show me the, in this way it will show me the suggested effect. All right, that is the thing. So now what is happening out here, this is one transition that you have selected. Now if you want, you can open, you can go to the sound. Suppose I'm giving applause. Okay, so duration will be say for few seconds, 5 seconds or something like that. Okay, so now what is happening, after doing this, what is happening, you can advance it by either by mouse click. This is the timing group on mouse click, or by using the after this thing. So one, either of the one you have to check. So after how many seconds it will appear, suppose I'm giving 2 seconds. All right, so it will be 2 seconds will appear. So in each and all transition to the slides, means like effect options will not be highlighted. It will be highlighted only when the effect options will be available. Now we're going to the second slide. Suppose I am choosing a particular, say, random bars I am choosing. Okay, now see, effect option has been highlighted. All right, so now I'm choosing a slides horizontal or vertical. You have to select that. If you are seeing horizontal, it will be in this way. Okay, you can see the preview easily. Okay, or you can see the vertical in this way, so whatever effect you can give. So I'm keeping horizontal out here. I'm giving sounds. If you want to give the sounds, camera sound, you can give out here. Okay, duration is of 1.5. Okay, and then I'm not doing apply to all. If you are doing apply to all, then it will be applied for everywhere. So I'm keeping individual sounds over there. This apply the current slide transition effects and timing settings to the entire presentation. That is the thing. All right, but I want to keep it individually. So I'm just keeping after how many seconds. You see out here, I'm doing out here for 2 seconds, 2 seconds maximum. Okay, now I'm going out here. So now what is happening out here, you see I'm giving blinds out here. All right, blinds out here. So blinds also will have the options out here, effect options, horizontal, vertical. So I'm giving vertical. All right, so in this way, clear. So now I'm giving the sounds also the same camera out here. This duration of 1.5 seconds, 1.25 seconds, automatically after this one advancing the slide. This is the timing group. This is the transition to this slide group. Okay, this slide group we can say. Or here also one button you can see at the left hand. You can see the preview from here also. If you play it in this way, it will be appear. How the transition will affect, you can be seen by clicking on the preview button. Okay, and the sound is also can be applied. All right, that is a thing. So this is the thing. So you can see out here, you can do the preview given. So that's why the sound is being played. Sound has been played. All right, the sound clip, I mean. Okay, now we will go again to the transitions and say origami. Okay, so origami will do. So it is like flying like anything. So you can see out here effect options like say left or right. Okay, effect options, it will go to the left. If you're choosing right, it will go to the right. So very nice options. I don't know whether it is available in 2010 or not. This is Office 365. It is available, but okay. So I'm keeping it 3.25 seconds only. Sound I'm changing a bit. Sound say I'm doing cash register. Okay, cash register sound I'm keeping, and automatically after how many seconds? 2 seconds. Okay. Acha, now also we are coming into another section, an interesting one. Let's see which one is important, which one is good. Okay, page curl we are keeping. Okay, that is a good one. Okay, like this. All right, page curl is a good effect. And from left or right or double left, double right, you can give double left. You can give. Okay, so in this way. Okay, this is called double left effect. So no sound it has been given. So I'm giving out here laser. Alright, that is a good one. Not laser. Laser will be a certain sound. Okay, I'll keep time. Alright. Now you see that on mouse click, what I do, I'll just advance it. Fine. 2 seconds. Alright. So now my transitions part is over. So you can see once check the transitions key. So one more thing you can do, you can see the views out here. You can see this is called slide sorter view. In the slide sorter view also you will be able to check the transitions and preview the particular thing. You go to the slide sorter view and see out here. Okay, here you can see the preview also. All right, now you check out. Okay, this one also. Come over here. This is the slide sorter view. Okay, so if you want to go back to the normal view, you have to click over here, and from the here, if you want to go to the slide sorter view, you can go there. Slide sorter view is what? It is actually the miniature of the slides can be seen. That is actually been used in order to preview. But in if you want to do something in the if you want to insert something or add anything in the slide, you have to take help of the normal view. All right. So now I'm coming to the preview once more. Yeah, that is the thing. So it is appearing now. Now you see out here I'm doing the preview. So this is the origami effect, a very good effect actually, very interesting one. And this one I'm tapping coming out here. So this is the time has been played. So I'm ready for the slideshow now. So because the transition has already been added. Alright, so now once it has been ready, double click on it or you just click over here, you will come back to the normal view. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the do the slide transition. Alright. So slide transition may you come or you press F5 key. Alright. Okay, remember F5 key is the one that is actually does the slideshow from the beginning, and if you want to do from the current slide, suppose from this slide, then you have to press shift F5. Okay, that is the keyboard shortcut. All right, so I'm doing from the beginning, so I'm going to the setup show also. You can go or you can go to the start slideshow group and you can start from the beginning. Okay, this has been displayed. Then after 2 seconds it is appearing with the camera sound. This is the origami effect just after 2 seconds. So I have the time. All right. So after this, it will be ended. So I have not done anything, no intervention of mine. Automatically, it has been played. But if you would have kept it out here like this, then it will not come. Say I'm going to the transition. Suppose I have kept it over here on mouse click. Okay, on mouse click, if you are keeping, it will not advance in this way. So it is to appear like you see. I'll do the slideshow now. It will not 2 seconds it will appear, but it will not advance. It will remain as it is. Okay, so until and unless I am doing a mouse click, it will not advance because I have kept it on mouse click. All right. Okay, then the next will then afterwards automatically setup is given. That's why it is appearing automatically. But after the flash slide, as I am keeping on mouse click, what has happened? It was not advancing actually. So when I did the mouse click, that time it was in advance. All right. So I will not keep this one. I will keep this one automatically after. So what will happen? It will be played automatically. No intervention, no human intervention is required in that case. So now you see that I will do the slideshow. Fine. Okay, and I will do the from beginning, and I will just automatically the slides will be played after the specified time. You see out here, so I have not done anything, it is being played automatically. Alright, so that is the thing. So in this way you can set up your transition, slide transition, you can set up your slide transition, okay, and play them automatically. Alright, so that is the thing. So finally, when you want to do, you can see out here the shortcut, start from beginning, F5, and start the show from the first slide. That is the thing. And if you want the setup show, you can go for set up the slideshow. So here also you can set your slideshow. Here all means from everywhere, okay, from 1 to 4 you can keep out here, okay, or you can choose out here which are the slides you want to bring into the custom show. Now here one options are present. So if you want to have the advanced slide manually, then you can choose it, or use timings if present you can also choose. All right, so the thing is that here the presented by speaker full screen, that is there, and loop continuously until escape, that is very important. This, if you are checking, in that case what will happen, the slideshow will continue. The slideshow will continue until you press some escape from the screen. Let us see what's the demonstration of this one. Okay, so I have set it, you can see out here from where it is, slideshow setup slideshow. You have to click, and you have to go for the loop continuously until escape. Click on OK. So it will be what is happening, it will be set over there. Okay, now the thing is that now I'm doing from beginning. All right, so pressing. So again it has been started. Okay, it will not stop until and unless I'm pressing the escape key from the keyboard. All right, so that is the purpose of the loop continuously. So it will continue, it will go on, continue, it will continue. Okay, until and unless you are pressing escape. That is the purpose of the loop continuously until escape. So I am cancelling it by pressing escape key. Okay, so I have cancelled it now. Now it has been stopped. So what is the option here? Loop continuously until escape. All right, so you have to go where, slideshow, then setup group you have to come, setup slideshow you have to go, and then you have to give what are the slides you want, and the loop continuously until escape will be has to be checked, and then you can continue your slideshow. So it will not stop until and unless you are pressing escape from the keyboard. Okay, so that's all about the presentation part. And one more thing, if you want to remove the transition from this from the slides, what you have to do, you have to go to a particular slide, you have to go to the transition, and then you have to choose the none will remove all kinds of transition. If you are clicking everywhere, it will not be played over here, and if you are doing the slideshow, it will come without any transition. Okay, that is the thing. Transition will not be there, sound effect will be there. So wherever you will cancel, from there the transitions will be removed. Okay, how can you confirm it? So just double click on it, the slideshow view, you can find no transition has been applied, only the time has been taken and the sound has been given. Here the star means that you have added some transitions. Okay, no star means no transition. Fine. So that is the thing. So you have to go to that same thing, transitions to this slide, and you have to choose none from this transition to this slide group in order to cancel any transition. So students, you have seen nicely that how this is to be, how the transitions to be added and implement immediately into practical in order to get an expertise on it. All right, so thank you. Try practical.